This is a brand new 2014 Nissan Pathfinder. This SUV has a continuously variable transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air vents for rear-seated passengers, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, four-wheel disc brakes with ABS, a keyless entry system, and a power driver's seat. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Andy Mohr Avon Nissan is located at 8867 East Highway 36 in Avon. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.